the important part, how to go about getting the original bumper off and putting the original bumper on. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take out various screws. This one here, which matches under here, right under here. And in fact, this screw is actually missing, as you can see. So that's going to make that easy to take off, but I've got to get a replacement screw now to put on there. And down here, with these holes, some of them are going to be those plastic car clips, and some of them are going to be screws. So as you can see, where there's holes, there's most likely a car clip or a screw that you're going to have to replace. And as you can see, there's holes on this side over here, and then this hole right here where there's another screw that matches on the opposite side right underneath here. And this one, the screw is still in there, so that's good. We won't have to worry about replacing that one. And then, of course, on the upper part to keep the bumper up, there's screws right along in here. There's one here, and along here, and right here. And those correspond to that part of the car right there. So everything underneath the edge of the hood right there, you can see the cut and the break, is where we've got to unbolt and unattach the bumper to get it off to put this new bumper on.